Hello, good day everyone. I'm Tevs. Welcome back to this channel. This next repair is a Panasonic 32 inches LED TV. Model TH32D400S. Not turning on, and no standby light indicator. I'll show you how to fix it. If you are new to this channel and you found it informative, then don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. You can also hit the notification bell to never miss a video like this. So let's get started. A mummified house lizard shows in the main power supply and a group of dead ants stack on the terminals of the main capacitor, and also on the rectifier diode. The fuse is not busted. And the capacitors are not charged or have no voltage stack on them. It may be because they are damaged now caused by the corrosion. Let's unscrew the power board and see the other side. It's more worse on this side. Seems the lizard was electrocuted in this area. Let's clean the board and remove the dead ants. Let's trace the AC lines. The multimeter is set to continuity. Beep means having a connection. In tracing shorted like in my other video. Beep means shorted because the positive and negative have a connection, so it is shorted to the ground. The AC line is not shorted and both tracks are not open. Let's trace the DC line. The negative line is connected to the source of the MOSFET. Let's trace the positive line. The connection is not going to the drain of the MOSFET. N-channel MOSFET drain is positive. No positive connection going to drain. No positive voltage is going to the drain of the MOSFET because the line here is been cut due to corrosion. This area is more in corrosion but looks like no components on it. Let's further clean it with WD-40.
Twenty minutes later.
The main capacitor terminals are corroded. The corrosion may also get inside. So let's replace them. I don't have 65 microfarads 450 volts, 47 microfarads will work. The jumper here is corroded, let's replace it. Reconnecting this using a strand of wire. Putting candle glue to the capacitor to hold it in place. I again removed the main fuse and soldered the 220 ohms 20 watts resistor to prevent fireworks if ever I have a wrong connection or other more defective components. Many comments suggest using a bulb. Yes, a bulb is good, that's a very old technique, and I have my own way. The positive now is connected to the drain of the MOSFET. Looks like all is in the right connection now. Let's try it. This is one of the secondary outputs, so we will measure it there. We have an output now of 15.6 volts. Let's put back together the power board and see if it will gonna work. The 15.6 volts is stable even though the main board now is connected. And seems it's okay now.
A few moments later.
The TV now is working great. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. You can help this channel by liking this video and subscribing. You can also give a super thanks and that will be great. Once again I'm Taps. See you again later. Bye for now.